So here's how to show or hide all comments and comment indicators in Excel. So as you can see guys, we are on our Excel sheet. So if we go through this column or this cell, we can see there is a comment available, and for this one also there is a comment available. So how we can show all the comments? It's quite simple actually. For that reason, we need to go to the review option and simply go and press the show comment option. Now onto the right side, you can see there is a option for the comments right over here. So if you just select one of the comments, you can see the cell is selected, and for this one, if you select that one, the cell is automatically selected. So that's how you can simply show comments in Excel. If you want to delete this comment, you can simply go through the comment that you have and simply tap on delete, and once again you can simply go with the delete, and that's how you can simply do it. Hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.